two major names in cloud hosting, but only one can claim the crown, which truly has the edge. On the left, Google Cloud Platform, enterprise-grade and globally scalable. On the right, Cloudways, managed cloud hosting made simple. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what actually matters. Each category gets scored, so by the end you'll know exactly who takes the win. The results for 2025, they may just surprise you. Okay, check it out. Here's our mind map of all the categories we're gonna compare these two on. We've got ease of use, pricing, managed versus raw infrastructure, flexibility and customization, global reach and data centers, support and documentation, performance and uptime, and security. So buckle up because we're about to get real honest. First up, ease of use. Honestly, Google Cloud Platform, you gotta be prepared to get your hands dirty. Tons of control, deep APIs. If you love tinkering, this is paradise. But oh boy, if you're a newbie, the UI can feel like pure rocket science. On the other hand, Cloudways is just smooth. Their dashboard is stupidly easy. You can launch servers in minutes, and even if you're not technical, you won't sweat it. Sure, it doesn't give you every tiny switch to flip, but most folks won't miss it. Cloudways totally wins this round for simplicity. Now let's talk pricing. Google Cloud gives you some nice $300 trial credits and their billing is super granular, but man, if you don't watch out, the costs can sneak up on you. There's a lot of variables and yeah, it can get confusing. Cloudways, much more transparent. What you see is what you pay, no sneaky fees. You do pay a bit of a premium for their managed service, but honestly for many, that peace of mind is worth it. Winner here, yep, Cloudways. Moving to managed versus raw infrastructure. So Google Cloud is like a playground for engineers. You get full-on IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, plus some wild managed services like Kubernetes or BigQuery. If you know what you're doing, you can build anything, but fair warning, you need skills to unlock all that potential. Cloudways, everything's managed, you don't ever need to be a sysadmin. The catch? You're limited by what they support, so if you want something wacky, you might hit a wall. For maximum power and options, Google Cloud takes this one. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know, Cloudways actually lets you deploy on top of Google Cloud. So you sorta get GCP's raw power, but with Cloudways, totally chill management and support. It's like having your cake and eating it, honestly. Let's talk flexibility and customization. Google Cloud, you can customize pretty much every inch of your deployment. Tons of APIs, SDKs, perfect if you want to build something uniquely yours. It can be a bit much if your project is small though. Cloudways is more about popular apps, WordPress, Magento, you name it, plus you even get to pick your cloud backend, which is kinda sweet. But if you need deep infrastructure hacks, sorry, not here. For full-on geeky customization, Google Cloud wins. Alright, on to global reach and data centers. Both are honestly pretty awesome here. Google, data centers everywhere, multi-region, all that good enterprise stuff. You do pay a premium for the absolute best performance. Cloudways lets you pick cloud partners and their locations so you can host close to your audience, super handy. The only thing, you're a little at the mercy of those cloud partners' data center choices. But at the end of the day, this one's neck and neck, so we gotta call it a tie. Support and documentation time. Google Cloud piles on the docs, there's a ton, plus some serious enterprise support plans. That said, if you're not paying big bucks, support's kinda forum-y and slow. Cloudways, meanwhile, 24/7 live chat, you're never left hanging, and onboarding is a breeze. The only limit is they'll help with their layer, not if you go outside the box. Still, for most people, Cloudways knocks it out of the park and takes the win. Next, performance and uptime. Google Cloud is a powerhouse, global load balancing, stellar uptime, all the stuff you'd expect, but you do need to know how to tune it to get all that speed. Cloudways, meanwhile, throws in built-in caching and boasts a 99.99% uptime guarantee. It depends a little on your underlying cloud choice, but for most websites and online stores, that's solid. This one's really close, honestly we'll call it a tie. Wrap it up with security. Google Cloud is massive here. You get things like HIPAA, GDPR, a bucket load of compliance certifications, plus basically every security tool you can think up. Of course, you have to set things up right yourself. Cloudways handles patching and gives you a built-in firewall and SSL, which is cool, but some of those big compliance badges depend on your choice of underlying cloud. So for straight-up enterprise security muscle, Google Cloud wins. Let's take a quick look at the radar chart. You can see where each platform shines and where the gaps are. Notice how Cloudways dominates simplicity and support, while Google Cloud's all about performance, flexibility, and hardcore security. So here's the verdict. If you want easy, managed hosting, especially if you run an agency or a small business, Cloudways is crazy good and you get top-tier support without the headaches. But if your project is huge, needs infinite scaling, or you want to tinker at the deepest level, Google Cloud Platform is where it's at. Still can't decide? Try both. Remember, you can actually use Cloudways on top of Google Cloud, get the best of both worlds. Go give them a spin and see what fits your flow in 2025.